Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another little quick video about the attribute eyedropper. And this time we're going to use the outline thickness. You can see that that's 36 points. Very easily, if you want to change all these, all you have to do is go to that and change it to 36 points and make them black. And, well, I didn't click on black. Color of black, and then 36 points. Maybe it won't let me do all the colors because I've got so many of them, but it did let me change them to thickness. So let's just say, instead of trying to do them all, you just want to do a few of these. So this is 36 and these are hairlines. Go to your attribute eyedropper tool, sample that, and I'm pretty sure we've got it just set on outline. And then so you've got that sample, then just fill, let's say you just want like this done. You can change the outline that quick of any object. I mean, it doesn't have to be a square. You could make it of the ellipse. So it's a pretty quick way. The only other way would be to pick them one at a time and go down here and double click on them. Double click on your pen tool, go to black, X out of that and go to 36. So, and then hit OK. So there's like 5 keystrokes versus 1. Oh, I hit the Smart Fill tool. It should stay active. No, we're going to have to go back and just start all over. But with nothing selected, go to your attribute eyedropper tool, sample that, and then just click around the ones you want 36 points. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.